Hello, everyone. This is William here, and welcome back to the Wheel Trains videos. Today, I'm going to show you how to make the K5LA train horn sound effect in Billabo for Treasure. So, how this works is to use music notes. If you do have them in Billabo for Treasure, I will show you to make one so you can have your own horn for your train. Alright, let's get started. So first music note you're going to put is D. The second music note you're going to put is E. The third music note you're going to put is G. The fourth music note you're going to put is A. The fifth music note you're going to put is C. And the last music note you're going to put is another E. Alright, that's all the 6 music notes you're going to put for the K5LA horn, and this is what it sounds like all together. Alright, I think that's about it how to make the K5LA train horn sound effect in Billabo for Treasure. Anyways, if you like this video, make sure to give me a like and subscribe, and hope you enjoyed the Wheel Trains videos, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.